Ole, Lampard and Sarri, una welcome.
Thank you,
my boy.
Hey, Kebele.
Lampard, Mole will tell me what happen. How you yash there now? Ma, that mutant rat chop and finish, Thank God say my other yash still there, sha. Now him I dey carry sit down safe.
So now 1 yash you get now.
Now 1 and 3/4 yash I get now.
What's happen?
No worry, now story for another day. Kubala, do your thing.
Okay, sir. AFCON don't enter second round. And so far, we don't see some surprises and upset. Oga Mourinho, people be not expect countries like Ghana and defending champions Algeria to come out from group stage. What do you think say cause am?
I no go lie you. You get some unseen forces where they operate for this AFCON. Because these guys not just come up for group stage. Now better last them carry.
Which kind of unseen forces do they talk about?
I believe say some of these APL clubs where they suffer from jam-packed fixtures swear for their players make them no go far for AFCON.
Sorry, I beg help me check this guy temperature.
Come out your hand for my body, jaw. What's in the worry you?
You know where?
You no believe me?
Why I go believe your superstitious nonsense?
Help me ask Kamel.
Oh yeah, which other reason go make Ghana and Algeria come out for group stage? See party after party now. Arsenal boss been the wait for them for stadium gates before them even played at their last group stage match. Immediately match finish, driver no even ask am who win. Them just bundle the guy put for motor with in Ghana jersey. Like say na kidnap them kidnap am. As he reach Emirates Stadium, I'm not even sure whether him back safe. Ateta just carry the guy put inside match. It remains small, the guy for carry Ghana jersey enter pitch go play Liverpool.
Oh boy, Molinho, at the hell,
I beg my hell. This Sepes tearaway just tell us now. Where he originates from?
Una think inside the lie? Okay, what of Algeria wey come up from group stage still carry last join? When you think say Mara is there now? Guardiola swear say maximum games wey him fit play for AFCON na 3 games. Na the same thing Moyes do by Rama. Ndidi and Co never start a goalless City.
Oga, carry your nonsense talk trick for yash.
Okay nah, no problem.
Oga Sarri, as things take be now, you think say any North African country still fit carry am?
Kobala, I da suspect you and the Cameroon. It be like say you sabi something about Cameroon where other people no sabi.
No, na just guess I guess, sir.
Na lie. The confidence where you take talk am that day say Cameroon go carry am. I da suspect you. Now only Cameroon score more than 1 goal for their first group stage matches. That their pitch the direct ball where you go. Even their son they choose who you go mama. Everything for that place that systematically come out people wey go fit worry Cameroon.
Natural. Even Mares complain say the ground too hard for him. No wonder the guy keep face like person wey won't cry for all the matches where him play.
Now, since AFCON starts, you don't see person wey score goal, slide with knee for ground. Try am now. You go just notice say you no get knee again.
That one na one of the first commandments for this AFCON nah. Thou shalt not slide with thy knee for pitch, or thou shalt forget thy knee on the pitch.
Oga Ole, the country wey tip to carry AFCON don comot. E get some controversial referee decisions wey happen. What do you think say really cost me Nigeria lose game? I swear, bear, that game really vexed me. Niger came out with 9 points. The early country will win all their group stage games. Meanwhile, Tunisia mistakenly qualify as best losers. How this kind of thing get happen? Whether na the Instagram media where them carry pets for post, I been at the ref wey smack ganje. I no sabi who to unleash my vex and tap.
Shebi them tell you say Jorginho no fit score empty post. As far as say no be PK.
Mami, what a swallow yourself, I guess. Madman.